Hi everyone. I hope everybody is well. And today I showing about my bicycle. My bicycle has flat tire. Okay, my bicycle has flat tire. Flat tire. How to solve and repair my bicycle flat tire? I I teach you my repairing flat tire, servicing and solve it. Let's go. To start, first I untied the screw carefully. Okay, they untied the screw first. Then I use my flat tire. Okay, and carefully the remove from the bicycle this tire carefully, but very bad situation today. And tied the screw. After then I need to some tools. This is rubber and this leakage area is fit, and I need some sanding paper. I need a solution glue and tire removable tools. Okay, after then I remove from the wheel, flat wheel, the tire from the wheel ring. It's okay. This is carefully removed, but it's very tight. First time is tight, but second time is easy to remove your tire. Then I put out of the tube. Okay, and this is ring is outside, and I check the tube, and I need to find my leakage area. I check it. This check it to I need to some ball of water and this tire pumping. Then I checking the leakage, find the leakage area and water checking. To start the find my tube leak and showing the bubble, water bubble. Find my leakage area. Okay, this area. and some cloth the water clearly from tube. This is leakage area. I indicate my area. Okay. After then, this area I indicated the area marking the leakage area and your pen. Okay, the marking. And next you check your flat tire, because the flat tire may be any object here, and maybe your roadside bicycling and the needle or pin inside the flat tire. Okay, I carefully check it. Now I clean the leakage area carefully by sanding paper. And your another rubber. Okay. Then I need to solution gum. Then I push the gum and the area gumming both. Okay, gumming is finished. Wait for 2-3 minutes because it's drying. Gum recently issuing what you said, but not good. And 2-3 minutes after, then drying, then put in and they fixed it. I said this rubber, then leakage area carefully, because carefully visiting and some pressure. Okay. Then I fixed fitting the tube my wheel ring. Very carefully fitting. This pumping out this and in the tube in the your under the tire carefully, because sometimes the tire is very easy to leakage. Carefully you inside the tire. I do this. Okay. And then shaking and fitting the tire to the ring. Then you okay, and then you pump your tire. and finally your all repair is complete your flat tire, then you fix it your bicycle and carefully you fix it your bicycle. Okay, at last time you carefully setting your cycle and wheel, flat wheel and repair wheel. Okay, and then tight the screw and this is fix it and very hardly this fix it. Okay, so today I teach my bicycle the flat tire, they fix it. If you can try to your himself the flat tire repairing. Okay, bye everybody, bye bye, see you.